Okay, there's nice. Look at the baby, oh. Hey, look at the baby. Dimat. Nice. Oh. Piniklo.
Hi, Zeke! Zeke! Fountain!
Ano sila kuya?
Nice daw.
Don Pipot is in the building. Ganahan na siya. Kaya ko naman.
Gani. Nice!
Eh, di Santa, wala pa nag-depart si Santa, di.
Nice daw.
After ng 2025 Santa.
Nice, sige siya. Nice. Nice! B, look at mommy. Hi!
Wait, baby.
Pagdali, kuya. Uy, my God.
Wait, baby.
Brum, brum! Beep, beep! Tagal, tagal! Tagal, tagal!
Okay there.
Yay!
55 pa
Wow!
Airplane.
Wow!
Go right.
Very nice! Sige na! Para malingaw ka. Hi, Lai! Ako, wala akong seatbelt. Hi, Lai! Go, go, go! Banggaon! Banggaan! Fly! Bangga si July! Warag wa man hayan! Grabe, mambangga man! Uy! Doon, pagdali doon! Lingaw gihapon! Lingaw gihapon! Lingaw no! Video po! Road rage!
Ay, na. Nagdala ko na. Sige, Dodo. Sige. Ano to?
Grabe! Grabe ko yung July, oh!
Pwede sa amin, nabitin ko kami.
Be, oh, look at Kuya July will throw the darts like in the house. Lai, sige Lai, okay ko isa-isa.
Kuya,
Isa-isa? Oh. Ayun si Bibing. Ginaw na, Daddy? Ay, kalisod man di ay. Naman di ano? Linya. Lai, ayusin mo Lai. Ay, kalisod. Happy tana.
sa ring na lang.
sa ring.
Ring, ring, ring. Ay, meron palang ano, no?
Oo, naman na kaya ano.
O ikaw, magtapon ka man kaya. Ganyan mo lang man sa
Ayaw po.
battle.
Kayo lang. Si Mami pa. Yeah, good job.
Mami, magtapon ka, Mami. Magtapon ka ba?
Nagano ko dito, nakashot.
Wow! Shoot the ball! Wow!
Oo.
Itapon mo sa battle, Mami, na maano siya.
Dapat
Ah.
tatlong magkano.
Excuse Mami! Mami, excuse mo na!
Oy,
Kalisod!
kulang.
Ay, kalisod eh, no?
Oy.
Yay!
Ay. Ay, Mami. Oh, diretso.
Ganon! Ganon! Sana all! Yay!
How many people want to go dinosaur spotting today?
Bill, look at Mommy! Look at Mommy, Bill! Oh, here we go!
Use the camera to take the dinosaur
Galing
photo.
na, Mami!
This photo is amazing. Dino knowledge time.
Magaling ka na, ha? Go, go, go!
That's a great angle. Dino knowledge time.
Galing!
Did you know that the Stegosaurus is sensitive to heat? Sound the car horn to get the dinosaur's attention. Pressing the blue button can change your viewing angle. Whoa, this shot is fantastic. Oh, great photo.
Nice! Oh, here we go! Dangerous dinosaur!
This is where the Tyrannosaurus lives. A Triceratops? Huh? What's going on? Wow, there's the Tyrannosaurus. Press the shutter button when both frames overlap. Quickly, take some photos of what the Tyrannosaurus is doing. Oh no, we've been spotted. Hurry, pressing the button to charge the energy bar. Here they come to chase us. That was a what's it trying to do? Watch out! Danger! Whoa, look out ahead! Press the button and go for that cat. That's a huge wow! We're finally safe! Let's see how it looks. Brachiosaurus. Stegosaurus.
Laban sa regular.
Tyrannosaurus.
Perfect ka.
Pag-green siya, masabay siya. Dito ka ni Kuya Shatter.
Nice job. You are a good photographer. Now, it's time for some photos with the dinosaurs.
Yeah, dinosaur.
Choose a frame that you like.
Ay, no, si Baby na
If you want to take a good photo, pull the curtains close. Ready? It's photo time. Please look at the camera above. 3, 2, 1. Oh, great photo.
So nice! Gabi ka po ito.
How about another pose for the next one? Please look at the camera above. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Ano, mag-smile ko eh.
Please choose a photo you like.
Special!
This is a special photo.
Okay, para ito ba? Yahoo! Yay! Hi!
Di na, wala makita.
Hi! Zeke! Hi, ate!
Kaya dito na bread. Ayan, kung yung gusto ni Kuya, sangyup-gyup.
Zeke! Mas fun! Kuya Rex.
Rex. T-Rex.
Okay. Oops.
Our favorite bread of Mama. Fresh bread.
Going home.